Baik, selamat malam. Pada kesempatan ini saya akan share materi terkait tentang quantitative data analysis, hypothesis testing, chapter 12. Type 1 errors, type 2 errors, and statistical power. Type 1 errors is alpha, the probability of rejecting the null hypothesis when it is actually true. Type 2 error, beta, the probability of failing to reject the null hypothesis given that the alternative hypothesis is actually true. Statistical power 1 minus beta, the probability of correctly rejecting the null hypothesis. Choose the appropriate statistical technique. Unvariate techniques, testing a hypothesis on a single mean. Metric data, one sample t-test, no metric data, chi-square. Testing hypothesis about two related means, independent samples. Metric data, independent sample test, t-test, non-metric data, chi-square, man witness t-test, related samples, metric data, pair sample t-test, non-metric data, chi-square, Wilcoxon, McNemar. Testing hypothesis about several means, metric data, one-way analysis of variance, non-metric data, chi-square. Multivariate techniques, one metric dependent variable, analysis of variance and covariance, multiple regression analysis, conjoint analysis, one moment dependent variable, discriminant analysis, logistic regression, more than one metric dependent variable, multivariate analysis of variance, canonical correlation. Figure 12.1 overview the univariate, the multivariate statistical techniques. Testing hypothesis on a single mean. One simple t-test, statistical techniques is statistical technique. One sample t-test is statistical technique that is used to test the hypothesis that the mean of the population from which a sample is drawn is equal to comparison standard. Testing hypothesis about two related means by sample t-test examines difference in same group before and after a treatment. The Wilcoxon sign rank test, a non-parametric test for examining significant difference between two related samples or repeated measurement on a single sample used as an alternative for a pair samples. It is when the population cannot be assumed to be normally distributed. Testing hypothesis about two related means. Two, McNemar test, non-parametric method used on nominal data. It assesses the significance of the difference between two dependent samples when the variable of interest is dichotomous. It is used primarily in before-after studies to test for an experimental effect. Testing hypothesis about two unrelated means. Independent sample t-test is done to see if there are any significant difference in the means for two groups in the variable of interest. Testing hypothesis about several means. Analysis of variance ANOVA helps to examine the significant mean difference among more than two groups on an interval or ratio scale dependent variable. Regression analysis. Simple regression analysis is used in a situation where one metric dependent variable is hypothesized to affect one metric dependent variable. Scatter plot shown on the slide. Simple linear regression shown in the slide. Ordinary least squares estimation shown in the slide. SPSS shown in the slide. SPSS count. Model validation, one phase probability. Sign and magnitudes make sense. Two, statistical validity, model fit R power 2, model significance F test, parameter significance T test, strength of effect beta coefficient, discussion of multicollinearity correlation matrix 3, predictive validity, how well the model predict out of sample forecast errors, SPSS, on this slide. Measure of overall fit R power 2 measures the proportion of the variation in Y, W, Y, sorry, here is Y, that is explained by the variation in X. R power 2 is total variation minus unexplained variation divided by total variation. R power 2 takes on any value between 0 and 1. R power 2 equals 1 is perfect match between the line and the data points. R2 is equal 0 is there is no linear relationship between X and Y. SPSS, shown the slide, model significance, shown the slide, model significance, shown the slide, SPSS, shown the slide, parameter significant testing, that a specific parameter is significant, SMP Gracia, beta, Z not equal 0. And hypothesis, H0, colon, beta Z equals 0. H1 colon BG beta G not equal 0. Test statistic is T equals BG divided by SEG up to T and Q1 with BG equals the estimated coefficient for BG, SEG is the standard error of BG. SPSS count, so on the slide, conceptual model, physical attractiveness plus likelihood to date, multiple regression analysis. We use more than one metric or non-metric independent variable to explain variance in a metric-dependent variable. Conceptual model, perceived intelligence, physical attractiveness plus likelihood to date. Conceptual model, perceived intelligence, physical attractiveness plus gender plus likelihood to date. Moderators. Moderator is qualitative, example Gracia, gender, race, class, or quantitative, example Gracia, level of reward that affects the direction and or strength of the relation between dependent and dependent variable. Analytical representation Y is beta 0 plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x beta 2 x2 plus beta 3 x1 x2 with Y is dv x1 is iv x2 moderator. Conceptual model, perceived intelligence, physical attractiveness, plus gender, plus likelihood to date, and communality of interest plus perceived fit, plus likelihood to date. Mediating or intervening variable accounts for the relation between the dependent and dependent variable. Analytic representation, number one, Y is beta 0 plus beta 1x. Beta 1 is significant. 2, M is beta 2 plus beta 3x. Beta 3 is significant. 3, Y is beta 4 plus beta 5. X beta 6, M. Beta 5 is not significant. Beta 6 is significant. With Y is dV, X is IV, M is mediator. Step 1, select sound the slide. Step 1, count slide the slide. Step 2, step 2, step 3, finish. So finish the topic of quantitative data analysis, hypothesis testing, chapter 12. See you in the next time. Thank you for your attention.